Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to sign into eBay. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end. Follow the steps as well. In order to sign into eBay, first what you need to do is simply open up the eBay application or simply head over to the browser and then on the search bar type in eBay and then tap on the first link that is shown to you. Then once you're inside here, what you need to do in order to sign in is simply tap on the profile icon on the top right corner of the screen and then that will lead you to the sign in portal or the page. Now all you gotta do is enter in your email or username and then simply tap on continue, and then once that's done, what you need to do is enter in your password, and now once you have done with that, you are now logged into your eBay account. You can also check the small keep me signed in box below the sign in button if you are using a personal device, and do not check this on public or safe devices. And if you forget your password, all you gotta do is just simply scroll down and you'll find an option forget password. Simply click on that to reset it, and if you don't have one, simply tap on create account to create a new account. So these are the couple of steps that you can apply. That's it for today's video, guys. If this video was useful to you, leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.